Hello friends, if you love playing Minecraft and want to make your game look even more beautiful, you should try the Idyllon Resource Pack. This texture pack gives Minecraft a fresh and magical feel. Everything looks cleaner, softer, and more colorful. Whether you're building houses, exploring forests, or mining underground, Idyllon makes every part of the game look amazing. The Idyllon Resource Pack changes the textures of blocks, items, and even the sky. It adds a dreamy, fantasy-like atmosphere to the game. If you like peaceful and creative builds, this pack is perfect for you. It feels like you are living inside a fairy tale world. To enjoy this beautiful experience, the link to this texture pack is in the description below. Another great thing about the Idyllon Resource Pack is that it is very lightweight. This means it works smoothly even if your computer is not very powerful. You don't need a high-end gaming PC to enjoy it. Just install the pack and start your adventure. If you want to download it, the link to this texture pack is in the description below. Installing the Idyllon Resource Pack is also very easy. Just download the file, open Minecraft, go to Options, then Resource Packs, and click Open Pack Folder. Place the Idyllon file there and select it inside the game. After that, you are ready to enjoy a whole new Minecraft experience. Remember, the link to this texture pack is in the description below. Overall, if you are looking for a texture pack that makes Minecraft more peaceful, colorful, and magical, Idyllon is a perfect choice. Try it out and see how much better your world looks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you liked the video.